Mason bees typically use tubes or cavities to lay their eggs in. These eggs will develop into larvae and eventually mature adult bees. By using a specially designed viewing window, we are able to see this progress throughout the different stages. In this video, I'll show you how to make a mason bee tube viewing window. Welcome to Nature Yard Life. I'll start with a simple cedar fence board and measure out 6 inches. This will be the depth of each of the nesting tunnels that I'll then mark in a row along the base of the board. Next, I'll use the router to remove the wood, forming channels. I'll try to keep these as straight as possible. With the channels completed, I can cut the end of the board at 8 inches. For the viewing window itself, I'm going to use this old solar water heater cover. It is sturdy plastic, but easy enough to cut with my tin snips. To secure the window, I'll use the table saw to cut out a frame from an old cabinet sliding door. I need to leave enough material on each side to secure it with screws to the board underneath. After countersinking each hole, I'll hand tighten the screws. It is important that the viewing window sits flush with the wood beneath it, as the bees will not select a tunnel that has gaps or cracks. I have cut out an additional piece to use as a door for the viewing window. To attach it, these old hinges will work just fine after cleaning them up a little. To secure the viewing unit to the main bee house, I've created a slot using some scrap pieces I have lying around. It allows me to view the bees as they go about their tasks and lay their eggs. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and you check out some of my other videos relating to mason bees. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.